flex, I will change the flex direction to column. Then I will say align item center. It's looking like this. And then justify content center. And no, actually first now I am making for the mobile first. So after that I will add media queries for desktop and laptops also, and some for the mobile also to make this work properly. So now we have done a lot of styling on each of these, and now in the dot grid item we did display flex and also. Now this was it for the grid item. Now I will say dot featured hotels, and here I will go here, so you will be able to see the changes. Height of 35 rem. Oh, what happened? It's 35 rem. Height of 35 rem. They are color to white, which is this color code. Padding of 1 rem. Position relative, and I will also add a z index of 0. Okay, so now like this. Now I will say that dot featured total. So let me copy this only, and I will say before. So it's before, and in before first always I have to add the empty string. There is a content. Then I will change the position to absolute. Then I will change the top to 0, left on 0, width of 100%, height of 100%, and then I will add a background color of purple transparent alt, and I will also say z index to -1, and you can see it's looking like this. Now after this I will say dot hotel image, and in that the hotel image is that I direct give the class to the image. Inside this I will add width of 100%, height of 100%. Then I will also say object fit of cover, and then position is absolute, top 0, left 0, z index -2, and you can see nice effect on them. Now after this I will say dot hotel name, and I will change the font size to 2.6 rem, and I will also now style the price. So I will say dot hotel price, and in this hotel price I will change the font size to 2. No, sorry, let me change it to 1.8 rem. Otherwise, all of them will be same. So after hotel price, I will say dot hotel rating, and I will add margin from of 1 rem, 0, and 2.5 rem. And now I will style the rating, and I will change the color to yellow solid, and boom, you can see the exact color now. And now after doing this, I will make special section styles. So this was the featured hotels and all. So now what I will do is do some basic styling for that other section that we will make. So we will add a background of linear gradient, and I will say right to right, and then I will say RGBA. I will set RGBA. I will add this simply that I will add 4 values: 250, 150, 44, and the last one is going to be a 0.8. So now, right now you will not see anything because we have not even made a section in this class. And now after adding this linear gradient one, I will add a comma, and I will also say URL. And inside the URL I will say that inside images there is the paradise. And now what I will do is also say that add, let's see, bottom center, let me do toggle word wrap, and no repeat. And now finally background sizes cover. Now I will say dot offer content, and for this I will change the color to white, and I will say text align center, and then I will write padding of 5 rem from top and bottom and 1 rem from left and right. Then I will change the position to relative, and I will also say overflow hidden. Now after this I will say discount, and inside this change the background color to yellow solid, change the position to absolute, top 0, left 0, padding 1 rem, font weight bold, and after adding this I will say outline of 2 pixel solid yellow solid, and I will also add outline offset also, so it add that very nice effect also. Now after this lastly I will also style dot paragraph, so dot paragraph, and inside dot paragraph I will change the color to hashtag if5, and finally I will also add marobi, which is margin bottom 2.5 rem, and I will also add a comment of room section style. So we have already made all the CSS for the offer, so now let us already add the offer one. So now after this what I will do is make a section and name it offer. Then I will make a using one which is container div with a class of discount. Inside of discount I will only say 40% off. Now let me show you. Here you will see all the changes and all. So discount I said 40% off, then I will go outside this and I will say H5 with class of hotel name. Oh, I think I did something. wrong. Oh no, it's fine. And inside this also dark paradise. Yes, so you are able to see this now, and I will make a div with a class of hotel rating. So instead of that, let me copy this only, and I will paste it here. And here, let it remain as it is. And then after that, after this div, I will make a p with a class of paragraph, and it will add some dummy text. So lorem 50 will be fine. And you can see it's looking like this. And now after this p tag, I will add anchor tag with a class of btn gradient. href will be a dead link. This will say redeem offer. I will add span class dots, inside which I with the class of, oh sorry, what happened? Yes, I will make a span with the class of dots, inside which I want I with the class of fast, then far and that says I, so we did all, and it is like this. Now after this, I think we have completed this. So what we did, container. Oh yes, and here I should also add this offer content class, which I have not added. So I will say div with a class of offer content, and I will add it like this. So it will be here, and let me do it like this, and let me do it like this. Actually you will be able to see this, so you can see it is looking like this. Now first let me go to styles.css, and this is the image that we added. So this image should also come here. So let us go to css1, and inside this css we added to right, and this color code is this one. Then I added URL, which was my paradise. Then I said bottom, then center, and background size cover. And then the offer content we added background color, text align, padding, position, and overflow hidden. And then inside discount we added this position absolute top left 00 padding 1 rem, font with bold, text transform upper case. Yes, we should also add this text transform uppercase. So font weight bold, text transform uppercase, outline 2 pixel solid var yellow solid, and then outline offset 0.5 rem, and then in dot paragraph we added this. So now what's the problem that is not making that happen? Linear gradient to right, and oh yes. So here we did this, and after this again we will add one RGB, and in this RGB you will see 143, 80, 251.8, and now you can see it's looking so nice, and this section is complete. So now let's come to the room section styles. And then room section styles, first let's start with the section class, which will be dot rooms. Dot rooms will add a background color of this color code, which is hashtag F2, then F6 and F9, and after that I will say dot image wrap, and inside this I will change the position. Oh, sorry, I added this one. It will be position of relative height of 21 rem, and now again I will say dot image ref and then after, and then the content will be empty string. Position will be absolute, top 0, left 0, width 100%, height 100%, background color purple transparent alt, and we have not added, so we are not able to see any of them. Then dot room image width 100%, height 100%, and object fit of cover. After this I will say dot room name, and I will change the font size to 2.6 rem. I will add background color of yellow solid. I will add color of white. Then I will also add padding, and padding will be of 0.5 rem from top and bottom and 2 rem from left and right. Their position will be absolute. I will also add left of 0. I will add bottom of 2.5 rem, and then finally I will add the index of 10. Now after this, what we will do is target the room price, and inside the room price I will change the display to block. I will change their font size to 3.6 rem, and I will also add font weight of bold, and finally I will also say the color to yellow solid. Now after this I will say dot granite, and inside this I will change the color, and the color will be dark color. Then I will change their font size to 1.4 rem, and now let me show you the styles. So once we are done with this section style, we will also make them in the HTML, and I will also add a font weight of 100, and now I will say dot rooms btn, and for this I will change the color to the dark color. Then I will change the font. I think I should not add font, and also add padding of 0. Yes, and I will also add transition of 0.5 seconds. Now let us copy the rooms button, and I will say that if somebody hovers on this button, then simply change the color to yellow solid. And now after this I will also add a comment which will be of contact form section styles. And now let us come to the HTML file, and inside the HTML file what we will do is, first let us make, right now actually we made of rooms one, so we will make a section with the class of rooms. So it will be like, first a comment will be there which will say rooms section markup, and I will make section with class of rooms, then reusing container, use the container h5 for class of section head which will say luxurious, so it's luxurious now. Or let me change it to, I think, h5 with a class of section head. And now inside this h5 I will add a span with a class of heading, and this will say luxurious, and then again with the span with the class of subheading, and I will say affordable rooms, and you can see heading is like this. We are using the heading also actually. After this come out of the h5, then make a div with the class of grade, and then after making a div with the class of grade, or I should have one more class of room grade, yes. And now I will say dot grade item, and dot I will again add one more class which will be of featured rooms. Then inside this I will make a div with the class of image wrap, then I will add image source will be that inside images there is this one room one, and I will change the class to room image, and after that I will make a h5, simply make a h5 and give it a class of room name, and this will simply say Astro Hotel.